Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saguenay, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provides local and long-distance moving for both commercial and residential customers in the Saguenay, Quebec area. We have a highly qualified team of certified movers who will complete the job in the shortest amount of time possible, allowing you to focus on the most enjoyable aspects of moving to a new location. When you do a long-distance relocation, you want to ensure that your belongings are safe and that you are protected in the event of emergency. 3 Movers will handle your move with care, allowing you to concentrate on other aspects of the process. And if you don't have space for some of your belongings at your new place yet, you can make use of your storage solutions. A local move covers shorter distance. This means you won't have to worry about much transportation costs. There is still the issue of labor to consider. Labor is charged by the hour based on the time it takes to load and unload everything. Consider which items are no longer necessary, as this will help reduce packing time and, as a result, total cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saguenay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.